There was absolutely nowhere to go, no one to turn to, so it was like the last option I had and it worked.
Oedd gen fi ddim byd I droi at, neb at all, yr unig peth oedd gen fi o Gista.
I can almost see it, that dream.
Before I came to Gista, I was living in a tent for a month.
O'n I bod yn homeless wsos a hanner cyn I gael 16th birthday.
Because I didn't know what was going on with my parents, I didn't think it was wrong until I saw a poster up on the wall and I got told by a friend I could tick at least half the categories, and that's when I started seeing that what was going on in the household was actually wrong.
I found a number for Gista, called it, and within 3 days I was in my own self-contained flat. When I called Gista, it was so quick I couldn't believe it, and I'm only just starting believing it now.
The process was quite easy, it was straightforward, and just wanted to know basically what my background was.
Pan nes I lle Gista gynta, o'n i'n ofyn, o'n i'n gwybod be I ddisgwyl really. I felt lonely and it was scary. O'n i'n meddwl felly'n grêt. O'n i'n crowd neis yna, nes I neud lot o ffrindiau. It was really nice and everybody's welcome.
Within Gista there's 8 residents. You get to know them, you become friends with them, you sit in the lounge with them. The hostel is staffed 24 hours a day. They give you cooking sessions, they give you room checks, so therefore you have to make sure your room's tidy.
Some of the rules, they can be a bit strict.
The rules are pretty fair for the protection, not just with the staff but for us as well.
I do like pave the way and just general stuff that we have to do like if we haven't got a job.
Expenditure, personal hygiene, cwcio. Dwi'n bod ar 2 exchange, un I Bala a un I Denmark.
The experiences were brilliant, and obviously as when you first go you're scared because you don't know any of the other people, where they're from, what the background is, but as you go on you grow like a bond with the people, and by the end of the week you don't want to leave basically because you've become good friends with them.
I feel like it's just helped me a lot to move on. I got loads of support with my key worker, one-to-one chats, help with confidence, help with budgeting.
Helping me with my housing applications, helping me to find work.
She helped financially with Gista. She helped in some of my routines.
Wbath o'n i'n gofyn oedd yn helpu fi efo.
If it weren't for Gista I'd probably be living in friends' houses. I still wouldn't know how to live independently, so basically without Gista I wouldn't be where I am today. Gista is like my family now and they support me very well, and I'm grateful for everything.
It's not just me that has problems, and we all look out for each other, so it's like a family really.
If you're ever in a situation like I was, then definitely call Gista. They're the best one, the only people who help.